This little heater packs a punch. Works really well. It's adjustable up here. You can go low, 3 different levels. It's fantastic. I can't believe how much this is heating up my house. This heater is up to 1500 watts. Heater will automatically adjust to the setting temperature, automatic shut off, and adjustable temperatures. This is a great little heater by Dreo. I'll suggest you get this today. This would be perfect for any home or office. Fantastic, works fantastic. Click that shopping cart today and get yourself a little compact heater.